Hey, what's up, guys? This is my new bike. It's the DK bike. It's the same one as my old one over there. I did a bike check on it like 2 weeks ago or a week ago. Anyways, it's my bike check on this DK. So let's get started. I have no clue. No, right? They are. Dang, they're really shaded. It looks like AM tongue. I'm just gonna say they're AM grips. No bar ends. I got a DK stem. I got a headset, a system inside headset. Got the DK green frame, Colt sticker. I got a DK rim. Got a DK hub too. Got a Odyssey tire 2.35. I got a IR3 seat. It's a little ripped. Got a IR3 seat clamp. Got a seat post, a DK seat post. I got the original DK cranks. Have no clue what the pedals are. I got a IA sprocket with the red chain, and got a DK hub with DK spokes and a DK rim, and I got a 210 rim, 2.210 tire in the back. No, I think 210, and it's a Kenda tire. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this bike check. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.